Curdy Trades here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the GOYOJO 3/8" torque wrench. This is a really awesome wrench. It goes up to 45 foot-pounds all the way down to 0 foot-pounds, and it also has a Newton-meter scale which goes up to 60 Newton-meters. And you basically have this collar here that you pull back and you twist it to adjust what the torque setting you'd like to do, so you can accurately tighten different bolts and things on your vehicle. It's really awesome for things like spark plugs and some of the smaller bolts on your vehicle. And it does come with some good spark plug sockets. It comes with a 16 and a 14 millimeter socket. They're deep ones as well. It also does come with a swivel joint, which is super awesome, especially if you have a vehicle that has a really tight spot to get to a spark plug, especially on a Subaru like my car. A lot of times with flat engines, it's really tricky to get into the sides where the spark plug holes are. So this makes it really easy to do. This one also comes with a foot-long extension. To purchase this, check out a link in the description to buy this on Amazon. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know those down below as well. This one also comes with a T20, 30, and 40 Torx bit as well. So it's got a lot of different extensions, a lot of different parts that you need for a lot of different jobs. And it does come with a really nice carrying case, so you can put all your bolts and bits in here, and it holds it on there. It says what it is on the outside here as well. This is a really awesome kit for spark plugs, but you can use it for pretty much anything on your car too. So if I want to get to this alternator bolt or one of these ones down here, I could use this longer extension. And then it's got a lot of clicks. You hear how it clicks a lot? That means it's got a lot of gears on it, which is a good thing. If you're in a really tight spot and you can't move your wrench very far, it'll be able to let you get a little bit more tightening out of it with not a lot of room. So this is a really awesome compact wrench. And then to set the torque on it, you're gonna pull this collar down and spin it. One side has Newton meters, one side has foot-pounds, so you can spin it to the right torque that you need. And then obviously when you go to tighten it, you're gonna push until you hear it click. Hear that click, that means you've hit the set torque and you need to back off on it. But again, it's got all these things that you need, a nice long extension. If you need to get to a bolt, like let's say you wanted to get to this one without having to take the shield off, I can't really get to it because of this weird angle it's at. So you can use your wobble elbow, and you attach your socket to the end of it. And it's got a little bit of wiggle room on here, so you can get into that spot that you normally wouldn't be able to get to. And then you can use it again to tighten up. And if you need a smaller socket, you can do that too to get down under here, which would help for this bolt specifically. But things like spark plugs that have really tight spots, these wiggle wobble elbows are really awesome for little tight jobs like that in the engine bay, which is really nice. And the quality is really awesome on these tools for the price. It really is hard to beat.